Dreaming of becoming a doctor, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Komshi bentaban Pynsuk e kinong song shnong ki bakwaban Mudui haba ki don ki nu ki Jingeh ki baki shem ha ka imlang ka salang uba prestun tin song simbot mentri rangba ka jalla ha ka art khandai tarik unai tung arja arpan riu ula Plie Paidbah e ka district portal dc-ekh.in ka ba ai la di ki Paidbah ban pha e ki Jingod ba ki Jingeh jong ki link ba ka online. Yagani ka portal la Plie ha ka Jingeh ka long ha conference hall jong ka office u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district ha ka balai don lang ru u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills u Abilash Baranwal ki additional deputy commissioner ki officer bat ki weipat ki he sarkar. Haba kren chikila pathai khubor u ba press tun tin song uloong ba ka jing Plie kini ka portal ka dai shibenta jong ka jing thmu ka sarkar Meghalaya man Pynsuk e ki Paidbah ha ka ban pintip ba pinsngo ye ki nu ki Jingeh ki ba ki yakindo ha ka shnong ka thau klam da hap let man ka por cha ki office sarkar ula pintip ru ba hadin ka jingyat bet jong ka ni ka portal ha East Khasi Hills on sa pentrei kam ya ka habaro ki district jong ka jilla. Shu ba press tuan uloong ba ka sarkar ka sokya halwar ka jingbam biang ka network ha ki thain nong kindong ba ka depatha ikatanat information technology banwat ki lat ki linti ban pen bahai ka network kanang ba ki Paidbah ha ki nu ki jakaru kin la ban penan kam ya ni ka portal klam Jingeh.
And I'm very sure other districts also will be in line. And we see what happened is, in fact, the intention of the government is very clear. We would like to reach out to each and every important citizens of the state, meeting those grievances that they have, meeting all those issues where they have, be it individually or up to the village level or the area level or whatever. Okay, so this initiative is very, very helpful. And let me tell you one thing again, few initiative has been taken by the DC East Khasi Hills. For example, see now we wanted to bring down the government up to the doorstep of the citizens of the state. So what we have done is recently, I think the DTO, now we have instructed them that even driving license can be provided from the BDO office. Okay, so this is the intention of the government. I'm telling you, we will make sure that this intention reach out to all the stakeholders up to the grassroots level. So this is the humble beginning, and I'm very sure, as I said to you, as we go on, we'll be able to make sure that this delivery system that we have in place will reach out easily to all the stakeholders in the state of India. Well, if you talk about that, in fact, the online mode is already there. The concerned department they do have, but now we are talking about the district. The district administration would like to have a separate dedicated portal in their own jurisdiction in this way, which we have just launched. You understand my point? Otherwise, different department they do have their dedicated online service. It's already there. But in addition to that, as I said to you, if you talk about the district, what happened is each and every head of the district, they have so many challenges to respond the grievances or the issues raised by different stakeholders within their district. That's what I'm saying. This is the first ever initiative taken by the district administration of East Khasi Hills, and it will also be followed by all the districts in the state of India. See, the deadline is like this, as I said to you, because see, here is the portal where public can easily complain, can easily bring it to the notice of the district administration. All subjects, okay, all subjects. District administration has to know about it within their jurisdiction. So therefore, once the complaint reaches this portal, immediately we will acknowledge them I think demonstration has been made by the DC himself, and you have seen it also. Then again, from the office of the DC, they will take it up to the concerned department or to the concerned branch or to the concerned wing of the government who is located within their own jurisdiction. So this is the idea, and I am very sure with this initiative we taken today, we'll be able to resolve the issues at the earliest possible. As mentioned by the DC, I think we would like to see the real-time value is also happening from one case to another case.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.